Long lines at open houses, multiple offers, bidding wars, sold in less than a week, cash offers, no contingencies, coming in over asking price. That is what home buyers are up against in the competitive real estate market. It could make anyone's head spin. So how can a house hunter be a strong candidate to get an offer accepted? It all starts with a conversation with a loan officer before you even begin working with a real estate agent.
A pre-qualification letter competes with cash when it comes from Nova because it gives the seller confidence that the borrower has already gone through the approval process. And if that offer is accepted, the loan will go through. Providing financing on a non-contingent loan, the borrower is not required to sell their current home, and they can qualify for both the current mortgage as well as the proposed mortgage at the same time.
People who have faced credit challenges, have filed for bankruptcy, or don't have steady income due to the nature of their work don't have to feel defeated and feel like renting forever is their destiny. Nova can help folks in these circumstances live out the American dream of home ownership.
We have a credit services department that will work alongside our borrowers to make sure that they're able to achieve that minimum requirement. We have many borrowers that come to us day one that may not qualify, but within weeks they're able to increase their FICO scores and obtain financing through Nova. Not all borrowers fit the same profile. We recognize that at Nova Home Loans, and we have many products that cater to self-employed borrowers, lower credit borrowers, and borrowers that may not fit the bank profile. At Nova, we have multiple options for down payment. We have programs that are called down payment assistance, in which a portion of that transaction can be used towards the down payment within the loan. Or we can use gift letters where a family member can contribute towards the transaction. We also have the option to tap into assets such as 401ks or stock investments.
During the pandemic, home loan rates hit historic lows. Interest rates are rising. Is it too late to lock in a great rate?
If you're in the market to purchase a home and you find the home that you really like and you can afford the payment, it's never a bad time to move forward. In terms of rate and term refinancing to reduce your interest rate, right now is not the best market to do that in. But the great thing about the current market is that home equity is appreciated. Choosing to take cash out of your home at the current time may be a good decision because with limited inventory in the marketplace, remodeling your current home may be your best solution.
When you're looking for a home, you may feel like you're running without an end in sight. Nova loan officers follow our playbook and guide borrowers throughout the home buying or refinance process.
At Nova, we have our playbook. And our playbook is special because it's a uniquely designed program by which we have in-house resources taking the loan from A to B to C to D. And during that process, we give the borrower a consistent experience time after time after time. It allows us to deliver on what we said we're going to do. One of our mottos here at Nova is to under-promise and over-deliver. And by following this engineered process, we're able to do that on a consistent basis.
When you purchase a home, you buy more than just a roof and four walls. You're buying into a neighborhood and becoming a member of a new community.
Nova was founded in 1980, and from the beginning, Nova has given back to the local community. That has been within the company's DNA since the beginning because giving is contagious. And when you give back, it impacts people, and they want to do business with you. In 2020 and 2021, Nova gave close to $1 million back to the local charities within the communities that we operate in. The Boys and Girls Club is a very important organization to Nova Home Loans. John Volpe, owner and chairman, along with his wife Heather, feel strongly that the Boys and Girls Club is a great organization. And the reason it's so near and dear to both of their hearts is because John Volpe grew up as a clubhouse kid, and that program allowed him to be successful.
Nova Home Loans is licensed in 11 states. They offer home loans for first-time and experienced home buyers, for primary residences, vacation homes, and investment properties. Nova can also help you refinance a home you already own. Go to novahomeloans.com and designingspaces.tv to learn more.